Okay.
Because you have the front of the mask here and the back of the mask. The words here are in the back, right? Just straight up. So this goes behind the head. So, and this is the top. So let's say this is his head, right? So this is the back of the head. That's the top, and this fits against the head. So
Okay.
this basically fits. This is on top of the head, and this is in the back.
Okay.
The only thing that you have to put on, snap on, are these two clips. One clip goes here, just like that. The other clip goes just like that.
Okay.
It clips on, and you just flip it like that. Just pop it in and out. Okay.
Okay.
Once it's in, it'll stay in because it's sideways. But if you just go like that, it pops right out.
Gotcha.
So when they put it on him, they'll just leave these two off. They're going to put this over his head, and then they'll ask him to move his head a little forward so they can slip this behind him. And then they just touch this,
Right.
attach this, and attach this. Okay. So now that's basically how it works. This is the back, this is the top, and that's it. Okay. So they'll put this on him first. Okay. He can still breathe. There's an open hole over here. Still breathe. So now that it's on his head, we have here this part. Very easy to attach. It just swivels. It just fits right in there.
Okay.
That's it. It pops right out, but basically stays in here.
Okay.
The reason behind this, when watching him also, is besides him taking off the mask by accident or on purpose, sometimes this can get loose and just fall out. So that's why the aide has to check to monitor and make sure that's in. Okay? So now that's in. To start the Bipap, very simple. Just push this button once, and that's going to start it.
Okay.
Okay? And now you feel there's air coming out.
Right.
That starts the Bipap. That's the whole thing.
But is it connected to the oxygen?
So right now, I'll do that in a moment. This is starting the air.
Okay.
And to turn it off, you hold it down for a couple seconds.
Okay.
But you only turn it off in the morning. He'll have it on for like 9 hours.
Right.
So again, to turn it on, you push it once.
Okay.
And to turn it off, you hold it down.
Okay.
Now, once it's on, this screen will show. The only thing you really need to know about this screen is the second to the right. It says leak.
Okay.
That, right now, it's measuring how much air is actually leaking out from the sides. So right now it'll say 0. Pretty soon it'll say 100 because it's going to say there's too much leak.
Right.
So what we ask the aide to do is in the middle of the night also just check to make sure there's nothing leaking. And your father already knows by now if things are not on correctly or not, and then what they'll do is just pull off one of these, adjust it, and then put it back in. But also, you want to check that leak thing here. Now, this screen goes off right away.
So
you just push it once,
okay.
and you'll look at the leak. See, right now it says 100.
Yeah.
Means everything is leaking out.
Right.
If it's like between 0 and 10, 0 means there's no leak whatsoever. 10 is like a 10% leak. It's okay. Slight leak is okay. And it will fluctuate up and down a little bit. If it's like the 20s, 30s, that means that a lot of it is leaking, so it has to be readjusted.
Okay.
So the aide will, in the middle of the night, just push this, because the screen will be blank. They push it, they look just at that number. They just look at the leak number to see if it's between 0 and 10 or so. And again, it'll fluctuate up and down, but that's what they do. They just, so you'll see, and if you look at the video on the thing, you'll see them pushing that button just to look. That's what they're looking at. Nothing else has to be adjusted. So I'm going to turn this off for a moment. Pushing it down turns it off. Okay. Now, there's another cord that goes here, and this should be connected to the oxygen.
Okay.
Now it should be connected to here. This is where the oxygen comes out from.
Okay.
So you pull this out, you plug this in, and you just turn the machine on.
And you're ready to go.
It's usually at 2. That's the liters per minute. That's what we usually keep it at. So now it's going to provide oxygen into here, and that's going to give him oxygen together with this.
Gotcha.
Okay? So that's basically it.
Okay.
Other than that, it's more of getting this on correctly and
Right.
getting it adjusted. But if you look at it like this is the top part. If you look at it like this, that's basically how it works. You have this goes on the top of the head.
Mm-hmm.
This is in the back of his head.
And when it's unclipped, you first try to get it on the back of his head, and then you kind of pull it towards the front.
yeah, you unclick these two bottom ones.
Right.
You put it on his head, and then you ask him to move forward a little bit, and you slide this behind him.
I gotcha.
And now you have this on the sides of him. You pull this one forward, and
Gotcha.
then you pull this one forward.
Okay.
Now there are other straps over here that adjust how hard or how close the guard should be.
Mm-hmm.
But this is basically his
Right.
size. And if you
Like,
look in
don't
the back
adjust
over
it.
here,
Yeah.
it's basically all right next to each other. So this one is over here.
Right.
You know, in theory, if you need it bigger, you could do it like that.
Right. Right.
But his size, it's pretty much looks like an X going across.
Right.
So that's pretty much his.
Doesn't look like an X right now.
Well, you can move it over, and this can move over here.
Okay.
Okay, so
Right.
X marks the spot. Okay, so that's
Gotcha.
basically how it is in the back.
Mm-hmm.
But in case some things get dislodged, take it off and just put them on here on the back.
Mm-hmm.
And this one will be the top of the head. And again, in the middle of the night or in the morning.
So you
or
put it on his
whatever,
face, over his head,
Yeah.
have him move forward, and put it behind
Have
him.
him put it on his face. Have him. Oh, you open up the two bottom ones.
Right.
You put it on his face. Have him move forward and just slide this over the back of his head.
And then adjust the
And
top.
then the two straps just go
Gotcha.
one in here, one in there. And then you connect the tubing, you connect this. You find the other end of this and put it into the oxygen.
Right.
Don't put it into the water, don't put it anywhere else, put it in here. There's already water in here.
Right.
If you look inside over here, I'll pop this open. There's
There's water.
water in here already.
Okay.
And they use that water to fill this up.
Does it have to be filled now? Is it?
It's already, there is water in there already.
Okay.
If he doesn't have the water, it's okay. This is more just because as long term, you want to
Right.
make sure that it's humidified. If for some reason you realize that there was no water in there,
How full should that be when you say it's full or not full? Like, does that look empty to you?
let's see how to take it.
Is it like half full?
It's basically, see where it says max? You basically fill it to the top. You could,
Oh, so
you
they
could fill
could
it
add
to
a
the
little
top.
more. to fill it
Right.
to- Okay.
Okay.
Uh-huh.
And the way I took this off and on is you just slide this in here.
Mm-hmm.
You push
Okay.
it once, it comes up. But if you lift it over here and you could just fill the water in.
Yeah, it's probably easier for me. Okay.
Yeah, you don't want to take it out. You just want to fill it up here.
Uh-huh.
And that's pretty much the whole
That's pretty
thing.
much it. Okay.
Okay.